Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to cover a bit of stuff about Outlook. And the stuff that I'm going to cover about is managing the settings on your Outlook. So how you would do that is first you go to File, and then from File you can actually do automatic replies, you can manage rules and alerts. All of that you can do it in your Backstage. Also, another cool stuff about it is that when you reply to messages, you can actually have a little indent on your messages. How you can find how to do mini indents to your original message on your Outlook when you're replying to messages, this is where you go. You go to File, you go to Options. From there, click on your mail. Scroll down from where it says replies and forwards. Usually the function will be attached original email or include original mail text. Include original message text. Sorry about that. So from here, click on the mini drop down arrow. And then from here, just click include and indent original message. Click OK and a setting will be there. Later on, I'm going to teach you how to add a automatic message. So for example, when you want to have like an automatic message saying that you are out of the office or from like a certain time period, I will teach you all about that. So come on back to my next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.